GSFC University.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Sir, we just came to know about this university, and my brother and sister right now they just completed their 12th science in biology
great.
stream.
Yes.
So they are interested to take admissions in bachelor's.
So it means they are from Bio Group, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So, sir, I came to know about this university, so I would like to know more about it. That what all courses do the university provides?
So in Bio Group, we have BSc Biotechnology.
Okay.
Right? So most of the students generally, opt for this course, BSc Biotechnology. So we have BSc Biotechnology right now.
Okay, so sir, how do we come to know that which course has maximum scope or chance?
Okay. So see, I have given only one option, right? So in BSc Biotechnology, we have 60 seats, right? And after doing BSc Biotechnology, students opt for master's courses in higher means as a higher education institute. They opt for this course, MSc Biotechnology or so, or some of the students also go for jobs after BSc. But generally, students are having high aspirations, so they opt for master's course after BSc Biotechnology. And we have a lot of our students which means who have applied for master's course in several other universities, and they have got admissions for master's course in those institutes.
Okay. Sir, I want to ask that you provide BSc Biotechnology, right? So I've heard about some other courses which are there outside this university, like chemistry, then microbiology. There are different courses. So what could be a major difference between biotechnology and the other fields which are present, which can help us,
That's a great question. So as a student, this question comes to each and every suitable candidate, that this particular course, BSc Biotechnology, provides a basic understanding of how you can use biological resources for human welfare.
Okay.
Okay. So I just can give you the example of the vaccines, right?
Yes.
Right. So these vaccines have come into market only because of the biotechnology part.
Okay.
And the biotechnology student will have scope in pharmaceutical industries, in R&D institutes, and also in academic institutions like ours. Right there, the student can have a job like lab technician, and if at all the student pursue masters in biotechnology, he or she can have a teaching assistant job in any such academic institution.
Okay. So after BSc, a job is possible, right?
Yeah, after
biotech
BSc
course,
the job is possible. And how it is different from microbiology? The microbiology course generally offers all those industrial aspects related to microorganisms.
Okay.
Okay, so it includes various products from microorganism. Right.
Yeah.
So somewhere at some point, both of these courses match with each other, or they are interconnected.
Okay.
So if you take biotechnology and microbiology at one stage, both are equally important.
Okay. So as I understood, both are connected courses, but microbiology is restricted to specific content. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, is there any internship available for the students?
Yes, internship is a USP of our university.
Okay.
So we provide internships to our students in various industries. So our parent industry is GSFC Limited, where actually students start their internship, and there we have also connected to various industries within Vadodara and outside Vadodara region also, where students are exposed to industrial environment, so that they get the knowledge of that work ethics and all. So yes,
Okay,
we
so
do provide industrial internship, and it is at the end of each semester. In the last semesters, we are not providing this internship course, because the students are also applying for various entrance examinations.
Yeah.
So the internships are available to the students up to 5th semester.
Okay, sir. So, what the biotechnology course offers, like course content?
You can visit our website for the syllabus,
Okay.
but I can let you know a few of the major subjects which can help you to develop the interest in this subject. So first year or first semester you will have only cell and molecular biology as a subject, but later on in second year and third year you will be having more specialized subjects like recombinant DNA technology, then animal and plant biotechnology, bioprocess engineering, genomics and proteomics. So these are all industrially important subjects which actually take student to another level,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. So, like, it's good to hear, because we had a chapter in 12th where we had this words, that is RDNA, and also
Great.
if we have this in course,
So
we'll have more details, right?
you are
about it.
more inclined towards DNA technology and all.
Yeah, sir. Because we had only one chapter in 12th, but that did an enough job so that we can
Great.
get excited toward this course.
So what are the lab facilities available related to BSc Biotechnology field?
Lab facilities.
Yes.
Okay, so in our laboratory, you will be having all those instruments which are required for a basic BSc laboratory, right? We have laminar airflow, we have autoclave for sterilizing the media and the equipments. Then we do have computer connected to a gel imager. We do have microscopes, right? And we do have biosafety cabinets where you can deal with animal tissue culture, and also you can carry out the microbial work sometimes in those biosafety cabinets.
Okay. So just one question, that like some of my seniors in schools are also doing BSc and in some other colleges, but they told me that in BSc level the lab is not that much exposed to students, so the experience is not that much. So what about this?
So
do you
see,
allow
in
us
our
to
case,
work?
you can I can tell you or give the contact of our last batch students,
Okay.
where you can ask them how means they were exposed to the lab. So
So that
here,
will be great. Yeah.
so here we give lot of importance to the laboratory work. The students are allowed to enter the laboratory at any time. Even the students staying in the hostel nearby, they can access our laboratory anytime. The only thing is one official should be there in
Okay.
that laboratory, and student can carry out their own research also if they have any
Okay.
query to means find out what kind of structure a microorganism have, right? So that can be observed under microscope in our laboratory. So this kind of open environment is kept for the students.
Sure, sir. Please give the number so that we can.
Yeah,
talk
sure,
with
sure,
them.
sure.
Yeah.
So, sir, actually we stay at Surat. So, how will be? Means, is there any hostel facility or?
Yeah. As I
accommodation?
said, right now we have hostel facility nearby within the campus only, and it is safe for also girls, right? So we do have a good security here. We at the entrance of each gate, while coming to this university, you must have seen the security
Yeah.
personnel
Yes.
standing on
Yeah.
the gate, right? So a lot of security is for the female candidates too. So separate hostel facilities are available for boys and girls,
Okay.
and they do have mess facilities.
Okay.
Sir, is there any extracurriculum activities?
Yeah. It's again a very good question, because every time a student is going through lectures, they do
Yes.
require some recreational activities or extracurricular activities. So in that we have in our university student managed clubs, right?
Okay.
Where students will plan out the activities for the club, and they will be managing all those activities within that club, right? There will be one such faculty mentor for those club, but all the activities will be managed by students, and it should be relevant to the to that club. Like we have biotechnology club, we have environmental club. So environmental club will look after the environment activities. Biotechnology club will look after biotech related activities. It may be a quiz, it may be a workshop related to DNA also, right? So yes, we have extracurricular activities, and apart from extracurricular activities, we also motivate students to participate in inter-university and intra-university competitions.
Okay.
And many of our students have participated in those activities, and some have also fetched some certificates and prizes also.
Okay. Sir, about hostel, like the facilities like bedroom and all is right there, but what after any other facilities like sports or something available for
Yes.
students?
So yes, in our campus we do have different facilities for sports. Like we have indoor games like badminton and
Okay.
table tennis is available, but not within the university. It's there in the campus.
Okay.
It is almost, I think, 200 to 300 meters away from the university. So we do have those facilities. We do also have a swimming pool here, so
Okay.
students also can enroll for those activities.
Okay, so
We have-
university provides us
Yeah.
this access.
There is a kind of extra fees for each and every activity. So for
Okay.
that, those are the nominal fees.
Okay.
So you just have to pay and get enrolled for those activities, and you will be given a special time slot for that activity. You have to access those sports or gym instruments in that time slot only.
Sir, is there any page or magazine available for the student to give their thoughts about any topic or something?
Yes, again a very good question. So we have a Science View magazine in our university where students collaborate with each other from other streams, from different streams within our university, and we decide one such theme for this magazine after 6 months. At every 6 months we publish one such magazine. So we give one such theme for that magazine, and all the students collaborate with each other to prepare that magazine. So they choose the topic related to that theme.
Sir, do we have, like, can we see that magazine?
Yes, we do have.
Okay.
I can show you later on.
Okay.
And so the study material, how will they, this university provide some material?
Yeah,
or-
the faculties here, ask students to join on a virtual platform or a virtual classroom also, which is Google Classroom. There, students and teachers can interact also, and faculties, upload their study material related to the subject. Apart from that, Google Classroom, the students, we also encourage students to access our library, which is there within the SOS building only. So students can access very good books, and we do have the foreign authored books also.
So, sir, the course content is like, do we have any specific textbooks or that topic can be from like
text-
as we have in school that there is a textbook. So is that the same here?
No, it's not like that.
Okay.
So now we have to come out of that thinking that we will be having only that textbook.
Okay.
So you have to compete the world. So we have to refer all those material or books which are written by various scientists throughout the
Okay.
world, right? So we have to refer, and we have listed those books in your curriculum. You can go through that list and refer those books which are available in our library.
Okay, so we have to refer more things.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
So, sir, if they take admissions in BSc Biotechnology, so after that they have to go for masters in biotechnology only, or
No, it's not that compulsory that you have to take admission in biotechnology only. These people can also take admission in any line of life sciences. So life sciences include biotechnology, botany, zoology, biochemistry, and microbiology. so they can take their
So, sir,
admission.
this college provides masters as also?
Yes. We do have master's course in MSc
Okay.
Biotechnology and MSc Industrial Microbiology.
Okay, okay.
So can you give a brief idea about the faculties?
Yes, so in our university, all the faculties in SOS are PhDs.
Okay.
Okay, and they are coming from different institutes.
So, sir, PhD is after MSc, right?
Yes,
Okay.
PhD is after MSc, and they have done their doctorate from good universities.
Okay.
So the faculty who is expert in whatever area, they are given those subjects to teach.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, like one question is that after BSc, right, and maybe after 2-3 years of BSc, like what is the scope that this course provides, and where this university can help us after the BSc program, if we want to connect to maybe job, or if we are interested to continue the
So
studies.
this is also a common question, but very important question which students are asking me during the admissions. So after BSc Biotechnology, students are as I said, they are having high aspirations, so they always go for master's degree.
Okay.
But yes, we do have a active placement cell in our university, which asks student whether they are interested for getting any placement, and they have that record that these students want to go for placement, so they accordingly connect to the industries.
Okay.
And the students are asked to they are groomed before going for placement. The basic training of interview, how you have to dress in the interview, how you will be speaking, what will be your gestures, right? So those all grooming part is done by our placement cell, and this placement cell also connects with the industry for their jobs.
Okay, so, and sir, what about the scope in general in outside the university? Like, is it good to obtain biotechnology as a education purpose?
Yes, why not?
Like earning, I'm talking about earning that.
Earning, yes. So see, if you have done BSc, then you have to you will start your earnings from 10,000 per month to it will increase up to you are having a good experience. It can go up to 3 to 5 lakhs also per
Oh.
annum. Okay, so it's all up to your experience. So if you want to get more promotions, good number of promotions, so I always ask student to go for master's course. So
Okay, so masters
unless
is
there is a financial crisis at your home,
okay.
right? Otherwise you have to you should go for master's courses. So why master's course? Because there the slab of the salary increases.
Okay.
Okay.
So sir, what are the admission procedures over here?
Actually, all the procedure related to admission is there on our online portal.
Okay.
And if you have any further queries, you can meet our admission department. They will let you know all those process.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
sir, can we have the brochures or something?
Yes, we do have a brochure. You can take one.
Yeah,
Have
and sir,
more details.
that seniors, the students who are there, connection with them, and if you can show the labs and after, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Thank
you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
sir.